If you're wondering how many ads you need in your ad account, you've come to the right place, because in this video, I'm breaking you down whether or not you need statics, videos, or both. And I'm going to show you what is performing better across multiple accounts in our ad library. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Hey guys, my name is Chris Marrano, founder of Bluewater Marketing, an agency that scales ecom brands with Google, Facebook, and Klaviyo. And in this video, like I said, the question is images versus videos, which one will perform better for my ecom brand? And let me tell you, the answer is actually pretty straightforward, but I'm going to get into a little bit more right now so that you, as the founder, business owner, marketing manager, VP, whatever position you hold in this company, understands how to approach the need for creative assets. Because I speak with countless 7- and 8-figure brand owners, CMOs, CEOs, etc. on a weekly, monthly basis. And that still seems to be the question. Do I need UGC? How many statics? Do we do carousels? What are DPAs? All of these different questions are being asked to me every single call I get on. And so depending on where you are in your business and where your resources need to go in order to scale your store, the question becomes videos or images. And that's what we're going to get into, because you don't necessarily need UGC and your messaging doesn't necessarily have to be production style video ads. So there's a way, and I'm going to show you in just a moment, on how to scale a store drastically, 7-figure store, using a variety of creatives that does not completely kill your budget. So without further ado, let's hop in. All right, so we are in Atria, the tool that we go to for everything. And Atria is phenomenal because it shows a visual representation and it shows you what is working in an ad account at an extremely granular level. So you can see I have cost per acquisition, spend, AOV, ROAS, CPM, purchases, and purchase value. On top, we're looking at last 14 days. So in this, you can see this is an image. This is an image. The third one here is a video. We have a carousel here. Scrolling down, image, 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 image. So 7 out of 8 of our top performing ads within this ad account are images. If we scroll down, in this, we have image, image, video, carousel, image, 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 image. All of these are images. So you can also see the way Atria starts to break things apart is by CPA first. Like, this is what we want to know. Like, this image right here, spend $1,200 in the last 14 days at a $22 cost per acquisition, a 2.25 ROAS, like crushing this image. Not too much spend. Like, these were just launched, so we're not like getting crazy here, but CAC's all the way down below our top performer. That's one ad account. So let's go to this ad account. You can see last 14 days, we have a ROAS of 2.45, spend $1,200, purchase value over $3,000, cost per acquisition $36. Here, ROAS. This is a video, 2.67. Image, ROAS, 3.8. ROAS, 1.7, not fantastic. ROAS, 2.3. Image, 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 one video. 7 out of 8 in this ad account in the last 14 days are, once again, images. Last one, video, image, 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 video, video, image, image. So in this one, a little more diversity in terms of the creative assets. 5 out of 8 top performings are images. So we have to remember, guys, if you are good at making videos and understanding the messaging that is being said by the UGC creator or, the production style, if you're really good at messaging and you can dial in a script with a shot list and all of those things, yes, video does work. But if you don't know how to do those things and you're just paying a creator to make some type of content for your ads, don't waste your money. Instead, let's talk about how to make amazing static ads and the callouts or hooks that will get people to convert, like the ads that I just showed you. So there are a few different tools out there. Creative OS, I'm not affiliated. This is not anything other than me just giving you some valuable information. What they have is a ton of templates that you can click around with, and you literally can just change these texts in the product to align with your business. We tried it for a little bit, just didn't end up using it because we have so many graphic designers that work in our company. Wasn't really worth it, especially with where Atria has the inspiration and discovery where we're able to go in and kind of see what people are doing. But I've made enough content that you guys should know, like contrasting colors and callouts. So the way you can create amazing ads is truly understanding the USPs of your customers. And I'm working on something pretty special right now. It's going to be something that you actually can afford to get. It's a tool that will help with messaging. We're not there yet, little subtle plug, but understand the USPs, how it benefits your customers, and then just make bold callouts. And that is the hook. So you don't have to worry about UGC content. You can see 7 out of 8 of our top performers over the last 14 days in 2 ad accounts were statics. Create statics. Once you have the call out from your static, you can use that in a UGC script, but we test with statics. We'll launch 10, 20 of them at a time, figure out what converts best, and then repurpose that and use UGC. I hope you guys found this video useful. Static ads versus images. I go statics first, go images second, especially if you don't really know what you're doing in terms of your messaging. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, hit thumbs up, subscribe, leave a question below. I'm happy to help any possible way I can. We'll see you guys in the next video.